This is on the Hardinge. Just take a look here real quick. It does come with all these collets here. Yeah, Acu-Rite DRO. And then this is a coolant system. Is that like mist coolant or just, yeah? Yeah, it's got the mist on it. Okay. It also includes this Lista cabinet with all contents. All the contents will be in the pictures instead of pulling out each drawer here. So you'll see those in the listing itself. In reverse. And then forward. Perfect. This concludes the video presentation of the Hardinge at the Sturman auction ending October 10th.